So Pauli matrices and the block sphere. Now I don't want to sort of undermine the work of others. I think going through that guide so far is telling me that the Hello Quantum game and the the actual command line version of it, they do a far better job um, introducing you to the basics at an intuition level. Really, because this whole, like, let's just, I mean, this is a really short one. I just was scanning this quickly, and I think the most useful here thing is to see the block sphere, which basically so you basically see, and I'm going to use the same colors that they use in the game, right? So here you've got the z dimension. Here you've got the x dimension, and here you've got the. Sorry, that's not. I'm not sure if that's the way this is supposed to be drawn, because a z measurement is a, yeah, I think so. And here you've got, maybe the colors are switched, but so those are dimensions that you can use to basically measure a qubit again. So you're basically doing a projection of the qubit into that, and that's what your measurement is doing. And that's maybe useful, but I don't think so. In this section, we'll further develop the topics introduced in the last blah blah visualization single qubit states, where the vectors matrices are not far behind. So those are Pauli matrices. For that is definitely not useful. I mean, again, I think mathematically you have to probably go through all that, but to build programming intuition, that's not useful. What you should know out of all this is this is one way to see a qubit, and yeah, basically a qubit state can be at any point of the surface, and then whenever you measure, what you're doing is you're kind of projecting against one of those dimensions. That's all you're doing. So yeah, but so far that it's not. To me, it's not helpful to go through and understand that, like, the Pauli matrices and all this kind of stuff in here. Again, it might be help. The question is, like, can you do something interesting with quantum? Can you program something interesting at the quantum level without knowing all that stuff? Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe at the end of the day, when it comes to designing algorithms, you really must know all that stuff to prove that things work. But I think that defeats the purpose of building intuition. So not interesting.